realised the wedding is a mere couple of months away. You've not really done the aesthetic work you might have liked to have done. Even budget and things, you know, that's a big consideration. If you're saving for a wedding, you might not have a spare £1,000 to pump into your face. So if you were unlucky enough to find yourself in the position where you've kind of dropped a ball and thought, I forgot about me, booked everything else, but I forgot to prepare myself, then things like Indiba with zero downtime for radio frequency skin tightening, collagen boosting, you can have them right up until the day of your wedding if you wanted to. And things like hydrofacial is nice invigoration, deep exfoliation and removal of blockages, excess oil and impurities in the skin. That's going to make you glow any day of the week, whether it's for a wedding or otherwise. And again, you could have that done right up until the point. So, you know, it's not a case of the game's at bogey if you're not a year away from your wedding. If you're only finding your feet in aesthetics just now and you're interested to see what's kind of out there, you can start with like red carpet chemical peels. You don't necessarily have to have downtime to see an effect.